Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to make girls fight for your attention. Before we get started, if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable insights. Now, let's unlock the secrets to becoming utterly captivating. 1. Confidence is key. Confidence is your secret weapon. When you carry yourself with assurance, it sends a message that you know your worth. It's not about arrogance, but rather a quiet self-assurance that draws people in. Stand tall, make eye contact, and embrace your uniqueness. Confidence is magnetic. It makes you memorable and exudes a positive energy that people can't help but be attracted to. 2. Authenticity matters. Authenticity is your superpower in the world of connection. It's about being real, sharing your passions, interests, and quirks. When you're genuine, you create a foundation for real, lasting connections. People can sense authenticity, and it builds trust. This segment encourages you to be true to yourself, creating an environment where people, especially girls, feel safe to be themselves too. 3. Develop a sense of humor. Laughter is the universal language of connection. A great sense of humor can break the ice and make you unforgettable. This segment encourages playfulness and banter, reminding you that it's okay to share a joke or two. A good laugh can lighten the mood, making you more approachable and enjoyable to be around. Don't be afraid to let your sense of humor shine. It's a powerful tool in making connections. 4. Be a great listener. Being an exceptional listener is a game changer. It's not just about hearing words, it's about truly understanding and valuing what someone has to say. This segment emphasizes the importance of genuine interest, asking questions, and being present in the moment. When girls feel heard and understood, they're more likely to fight for your attention because it's a rare and appreciated quality. 5. Master the art of flirting. Flirting is an art, and when done right, it can make your interaction sizzle. This segment doesn't advocate for over-the-top gestures, but rather suggests playful teasing, subtle compliments, and maintaining an air of mystery. It's about creating a delightful dance of connection, making interactions enjoyable and intriguing. 6. Cultivate a passionate lifestyle. Passion is attractive. Whether it's a hobby, a career, or a cause, this segment encourages you to cultivate a passionate lifestyle. When you're driven and enthusiastic, it becomes contagious. Girls will be drawn to the energy you radiate, and they'll want to be a part of that exciting journey. It's about showcasing what you love and letting that passion be a magnet for connection. 7. Dress to impress yourself. While looks aren't everything, this segment highlights the importance of presenting yourself well. Dressing in a way that makes you feel confident and comfortable is key. It's not about conforming to societal standards, but about expressing yourself authentically. When you take pride in your appearance, it reflects self-respect and attention to detail. 8. The power of mystery. Mystery adds an element of excitement to your interactions. It's not about being secretive, but about leaving a little to the imagination. This segment encourages you to reveal yourself gradually, maintaining an air of intrigue that keeps girls interested and wanting to learn more. It's a delicate balance that adds depth to your connections. 9. Be supportive and encouraging. Support and encouragement go a long way in building connections. This segment emphasizes the importance of cheering on a girl's achievements, dreams, and aspirations. When you genuinely celebrate her victories and offer encouragement during challenging times, it creates a foundation of trust and admiration. Girls will fight for your attention when they feel uplifted by your presence. 10. Balance independence and togetherness. Finding the right balance between independence and togetherness is crucial. This segment encourages you to showcase your own passions and interests, adding depth to your character. At the same time, it highlights the importance of valuing quality time together. Striking this balance creates a dynamic that is both captivating and respectful. 11. Take initiative. Taking initiative is a powerful way to show confidence and assertiveness. Whether it's planning a date, initiating a conversation, or making decisions, stepping up demonstrates that you're proactive in creating meaningful connections. Girls appreciate someone who takes the lead and makes them feel valued. 12. Develop emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a superpower in the realm of attraction. This segment encourages you to understand and empathize with the emotions of others. Being attuned to nonverbal cues, showing empathy, and communicating effectively fosters deep connections that are irresistible. 13. Cultivate a positive mindset. Positivity is contagious, and girls are naturally drawn to individuals with a positive mindset. Cultivating optimism in your outlook on life not only makes you more attractive but also creates an environment where connections flourish. This segment encourages you to focus on solutions, radiate positive energy, and become a source of joy in the lives of those around you. 14. Respect boundaries. Respecting boundaries is non-negotiable. This segment emphasizes the importance of being mindful of personal boundaries, both physical and emotional. Consent and communication are paramount, and a respectful approach builds trust, laying the foundation for a healthy connection. 15. Stay intrigued and curious. Staying intrigued and curious about the world and the people around you is key to building connections. This segment encourages you to ask questions, seek to understand different perspectives, and show genuine curiosity. Girls will be captivated by your inquisitive nature, creating an environment where conversations flow naturally. 16. Be open to growth. Being open to personal growth is an attractive quality. This segment encourages you to show that you're on a journey of self-improvement and learning. Girls will be drawn to individuals who embrace growth, as it indicates a willingness to evolve and adapt, both as an individual and within a relationship. 17. Radiate positivity. Positivity is a magnet for attention. Whether you're facing challenges or celebrating successes, this segment encourages you to radiate positivity. Girls will be naturally drawn to individuals who bring sunshine into their lives. A positive outlook creates an uplifting atmosphere that's irresistible. 18. Be unapologetically yourself, in a world full of trends and expectations. Authenticity reigns supreme. This segment encourages you to be unapologetically yourself. Embrace your quirks, celebrate your uniqueness, and let your authenticity shine. It's the most magnetic quality you can possess, attracting those who appreciate the real, genuine you. 19. Show appreciation. Expressing appreciation is a simple yet powerful way to make girls fight for your attention. This segment encourages you to acknowledge the little things, express gratitude, and show that you value and appreciate the people in your life. It creates a positive cycle of mutual admiration that strengthens connections. 20. Lead with kindness. Kindness is an irresistible quality that transcends physical attraction. This segment encourages you to be kind to others, show compassion, and create a positive impact in the lives of those around you. Girls will be drawn to individuals who not only talk the talk but walk the walk when it comes to kindness, and there you have it. The keys to making girls fight for your attention. Confidence, authenticity, and a genuine connection are the cornerstones of attraction. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Remember, the most attractive version of yourself is the one that stays true to who you are. Thanks for joining me on Wonderful Relationship. Until next time, stay captivating and take care. See you in the next video.